Mass psychosis or runaround? With the suggestion of there being a mass psychosis going on, and talk of why so many people have ended up following the crowd, I decided to give it new thought, given the new subject matter now at hand. Both things seem to be part of the same process in my mind, and something mentioned at the beginning of this debacle reminded me of it. A TV show from the 70s or 80s called Runaround. I vaguely remember it mentioned later, but I was more of an 80s and 90s kid. Anyway, premise is a group of kids, a question with 3 options for a correct answer, and you pick a circle to go in with what you think is the right answer. Timed, of course. And predictably, people would dither and be swayed by the majority and go with that. Before the time was up, you could switch if you thought you knew better. The naming is apt here, because we have been given the runaround, and there was no right answer to be had. Yet they had everyone scrabbling to know something, made it seem timed, and inevitably people switched sides and second-guessed themselves. Well, some did. So is this a case of people being deluded and in a trance from the propaganda and careful planning by the behavioural unit? Or is it just confusion and they picked the wrong circle to stand in? And rather than it being a timer which determines the answer, it's your own ego and pride that need to decide, and can go on for a long time. Here, I guess, is where the ability to know something is up, and admitting it, is a really useful skill. But what of the other group, the ones who do know something is up, and actually just don't care? People may have been worn down by the modern life they have already inflicted on people, who can say for sure? But I may speculate on that one further